Hi first grade, I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid to leave a morning greeting or a morning message for your friends. So on the slide, you're going to click the symbol that says Flipgrid, and after you click that symbol, it's going to take you to this screen. Because we're already using ClassLink to log into the slides, you're going to go ahead and hit Login with Google. It's important that you're using ClassLink so that your email and name appear. So go ahead and click your name and email. Great. So this is the morning meeting grid. It says good morning, say good morning and leave a morning message for other first grade students to see. Have a great day. You're going to scroll down and click the green plus sign to leave a quick message for other first grade students to see. Make sure you check in throughout the day to see other messages from your first grade friends. Have a great day.